Yes, just one more piece of this delicious cake. It's gonna be so good. I'll just pop it in the microwave and oh my gosh, this microwave is filthy and it smells like crap. Ugh. Luckily, I know exactly what to do to get this nice and clean. All I need is a bowl of water, a lemon, and a cleaning cloth. First, I'm cutting the lemon into slices and then adding the slices to the water. Next, I'm placing the bowl of water and lemon slices into the microwave for 2 minutes. Once that's done, I'm letting the bowl sit in the microwave for another 2 minutes. The steam from the water and the lemon will help to loosen all of that debris and residue. Now I'm removing the bowl from the microwave and using my cleaning cloth to wipe away all of that filth. As you can see, it's coming off easily. Now it's time to clean off that plate. All I'm doing is pouring some of that lemon water onto the plate and giving it a nice rinse and scrub. Once that's done, the microwave is now completely odor-free and spotless. If you found this tutorial helpful, there's a lot more where that came from. Just head on over to ehow.com and make sure you hit subscribe before you go. See you guys in the next video.